How to get $90 Uber Eats coupon code. Let's get started. Launch your preferred browser. Over here, you're going to find the search box. Type in Uber Eats coupon code and search for it. Different website links will appear. Navigate to this one website option, Uber Eats, open it. You'll be directed to the official website of it. Once you're on the website, you're going to find amazing offers and deals for Uber Eats. Just scroll down and check out the offers. $15 off, $25 off, $3 off, and many more. You can head towards any of the offer that you want to grab. Just click on it. With that, you're going to get the code for it, copy it. Make sure to check the expiration date of the code, whether it is valid or not. If it is valid, you can copy it, then click on redeem at Uber Eats. You'll be directed to the official website of it. Once you're on the website, log into your account, browse through the items, select the items that you want to purchase, and proceed to checkout. While in the checkout page, you're going to find the section of codes. Over there, type in your code and confirm your order. With that, you're going to get the discount in your order. Likewise, you can also try out other offers, as on this website, you're going to find tons of offers and deals for Uber Eats. Lastly, what you can do is you can head back. Then you can also check out this one website, as this is also the legit website where you're going to find amazing offers and deals for Uber Eats. Groupon. Just scroll down and check the offers. Well, this way you can easily get up to $90 working coupon code for Uber Eats. If this video was helpful, smash that like button, share and subscribe to our channel. Thanks for watching.